First we are using Hulk's legs from his minifigure, then the dragon's tail from minifigure series 23, Hulk's torso, the wings of the dragon, the head of Green Goblin from the Microfighters, and the helmet of any Green Goblin minifigure. And there we have Green Goblin from Earth 1610, with his tail and wings and dragon-like structure. In case you were wondering, if you want to give him a bomb here, these pumpkins came in a lot of October sets for Halloween, and this fire piece comes from either a set with Ghost Rider and Carnage, or from a DC set with Firestorm.